If you want to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to get Adobe Creative Cloud, sign in with your Adobe account, install Premiere Pro, and launch it properly when everything is finished. I'll also mention a couple of important notes so you avoid common setup problems. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need is Adobe Creative Cloud. Premiere Pro is managed through Adobe's Creative Cloud app, so you can't just download Premiere Pro by itself from a random website. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. Once the page loads, look for the Download Creative Cloud button and click it. This will download the installer file to your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer file and run it. Depending on your browser and operating system, the file may appear in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. When you open it, follow the on-screen prompts to begin installing Creative Cloud. This part usually takes just a few moments, but let it finish completely before moving on. Once Adobe Creative Cloud is installed, open the Creative Cloud app. You may be asked to sign in at this point. Use your Adobe account to log in. If you do not already have an account, you can create one during the sign-in process. This account is required because Adobe uses it to manage your subscription, your apps, and your licenses. So make sure you're signing in with the correct email address. After you're signed in, you'll land inside the Creative Cloud dashboard. From here, go to the Apps section. This is where Adobe lists all the apps available for installation on your account. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Premiere Pro. When you see it, click Install. Now the download and installation process will begin. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this can take a little while, so be patient. Adobe Premiere Pro is a large application, and it may also download supporting files along the way. Make sure your computer stays connected to the internet and avoid closing Creative Cloud while the installation is running. When the installation is complete, you should see an Open button inside Creative Cloud. You can click Open right there to launch Premiere Pro immediately. You can also open it later from your desktop shortcut, your Start menu on Windows, or your Applications folder on Mac, depending on how your system is set up. Before you start using Premiere Pro, there are two very important things to keep in mind. First, Adobe Premiere Pro requires a paid subscription. Adobe may offer a free trial, but after that, you'll need an active plan to keep using the software. Second, make sure your PC or laptop meets the system requirements. Premiere Pro works best when you have enough RAM, a capable GPU, and enough free storage space. If your computer is underpowered, you may run into slow performance, crashes, or installation issues. If you do have any trouble, double check that Creative Cloud is fully updated, that you're signed into the right Adobe account, and that your internet connection is stable. Those small checks solve a lot of installation problems before they become bigger headaches. And that's it. Adobe Premiere Pro is now downloaded, installed, and ready to use. From here, you can start editing videos, importing media, and building your first project. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.